very warm welcome to our presentation for Smart India Hackathon 2025. We, our team VoxNova, presenting our innovative conversation app for deaf and mute users. Our problem statement is focused on creating a real-time sign language converter app for English, Hindi, and Marathi under the Smart Education theme. As we know, deaf and mute individuals face major communication barriers, isolation, and limited access to essential services. Few interpreters and no universal standard makes the issue even worse. A real-time accessible tool like ours addresses this critical gap. Our proposed solution is a mobile app that uses AI for real-time two-way translation between sign language and spoken or written language, making conversation seamless. Moving on to unique value propositions, we specialize in Indian Sign Language, supporting Indian languages like Hindi and Marathi, offering a real time dialogue, advanced AI driven accuracy, and a simple user friendly interface. Our tech stack includes Python and Flask for backend, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for frontend, and AIML libraries such as MediaPipe for hand detection and Scikit-learn for sign recognition. These are some pictures of our interface and a workflow of how it works that I'll be explaining further while showing you all our prototype. Moving forward, it is very crucial to check whether the solution can be built and sustained. The key feature, that is sign recognition, is already being proven by open source frameworks like MediaPipe and Scikit-learn. Smartphone with decent camera and processors can be used to access our platform. Therefore, cost-effective deployment is also feasible since we don't require any expensive or specialized hardware. Our backend is made up of Python and Flask, which are very lightweight, feasible to scale for integrating more regional languages in future. Talking about challenges, we have identified three key challenges. The first one is limited data set for Indian Sign Language. Because Indian Sign Language has a lot of regional variations, it is very difficult to get a centralized data set for the same. But we can overcome this by collaborating with NGOs and organizations that work for signing community. The second one is real-time accuracy issues. But we can again overcome this by using low latency models that will ensure that even on average smartphones, the translations are reliable and faster. The last one is user adoption. Even the smartest technology can fail if it is not inclusive, if it is not easy to be accessed by the users. Therefore, we are creating a platform that is simple, intuitive, and user friendly, making VoxNova welcoming to everyone who uses it. Moving further, talking about impacts and benefits, it helps people communicate directly without needing an interpreter. It also makes education, jobs, and everyday life more inclusive by giving equal opportunities to everyone. At personal level, it builds confidence and independence. In healthcare, it makes doctor-patient conversation easy. In education, it allows smoother interactions. In workplaces, it improves collaboration. Overall, it can connect millions of hearing impaired individuals closely with the society. On benefit side, the first big advantage is reach. Because the tool supports local languages like Hindi and Marathi, it can also make a difference, a huge difference in rural and semi-urban areas. Economically, it opens doors for partnership with NGOs, special schools, and government initiatives. This framework can even be integrated with devices like smart glasses, AR, VR, or IoT to make communication more natural and seamless. Lastly, these are some research papers and references that we have used. Now, before concluding, I would like to show you all a working prototype of our model. So this is the homepage of our prototype. It has three main sections: for deaf, for mute, and for those who are both. Below that, we have shown how it works. The user can register or sign in if they already have an account. Then we have a page for more features that we will be adding in future. It will have two options: video call interpreter and a section to learn sign language for those who don't know sign language. Then in our working prototype, we have three main tabs. The first one is for deaf users. It has speech to text and text to speech feature. A normal person speaks, system captures the speech and converts it to text. And then
Hello brother, how are you?
for text to speech, we can also switch language, for example, Hindi.
हेलो भाई आप कैसे हैं?
In futures, in future, we will be adding some animations so that deaf users sees the sign language output. For mute, A mute person shows sign to the camera. AI model will process the video, recognize the sign, and convert that sign to text or speech so that a normal person can receive the message. For both mute and deaf, we have all the three features: text to speech, speech to text, and a sign recognition tab for both. We believe communication should not depend on which language you speak or how you choose to express yourself. In short, this is not just a tech solution, it's a bridge that brings social inclusion, economic opportunities, and future ready innovation all together. It's about giving millions of people a stronger voice and a clearer connection to the world. Thank you.